In front of me is Samsung Galaxy A17 and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Rosemary font. Rosemary font is one of the most popular one, so if you want to set it up on this Samsung, just go into settings. Then scroll to hit the display section. Click on font after scrolling down again, font size and style, and then hit font style section over here. Now to access font style first, you need to hit download fonts and pick Rosemary one from the list. Click on it. Tap on install button at the bottom and go back. Now wait for it to be ready and tap on it on the list to apply it. I can assure you it will work because I applied Rosemary font on every Samsung I ever tested. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!